am Ashok Bhai Merchant, trustee of KK Bagh Education Society, representing Hirabai Hansraj Sudhi Charitable Trust on board of KK Bagh Education Society. We were very glad that what decision we had made in 1986 to use this land of our trust for a big educational complex has been fructified, and the institute has progressed much beyond our expectations, and we are happy, very happy to have to have had contacts with KK Bagh Education Society. First, Sri Bala Sahib Bagh, Sri Pundrik Rao Mughal and Prahlad Patil, who were instrumental and at the forefront at that time of KK Bagh Education Society, met me and my father, Sri Kapoor Shetty. We expressed our intention to use this land for an educational purposes, and lot of meetings were held in Nifad and Bombay for to take the task forward. In there were Kapoor was an aged person at that time, and it was not always possible for him to come to Nifad. So I used to come to Nifad, and there were no much communications, no Ola, no Uber, and we had to come by a passenger train. I started from Bombay at 11:30 in the night by Bhusawal passenger and land in Nifad at around 6 o'clock in the morning. There was a device which you had to dial, and the and the vehicle from the Karkhana would pick us up. I would go to the campus, and where Pundrikla Mughal and Mara Sahib would be waiting. We used to conduct our meeting. Later on, whenever they used to come to Bombay, they stayed at Sakar Bhavan, and I was where I was working next in the next building at Air India. Kakushit would come from our residence at Burivali, and all of us would meet at Sakar Bhavan in the evening, and had to carry the task forward. Mr. Kasliwal, who was the chartered accountant of the society at that time, was very instrumental in guiding both the trust in work of charity commissioner. Then we handed over this land to establish the educational campus on 16th May 1986, and within a short time the contractor was finalized, and the campus was ready in 1.5 years. In the meantime, we had a campus at Vasant Market, which we visited regularly, as I was also on the board of KK Bagh Education Society. Then, after coming into this campus, the college and education society have progressed by leaps and bounds, and we are very happy that our initiative and the hard work of the KK Bagh Education Society and our forefathers, Kaka Sahib Bagh, Bala Sahib Bagh, and Kapushet, have fructified in making the life of hundreds and thousands of students more meaningful, more prosperous, more progressive, and contributing to the advancement of the society by way of innovations and higher studies. Thank you. I wish KK Bagh a very happy journey towards his march towards establishing a university. And I hope the next interview I will give will be when the university is inaugurated. Wishing all the best to the students, staff, trustees, pioneers, and workers of KK Bagh Education Society. And I hope in very near future, in the 50, to celebrate the 50th, we'll meet again. Oh, thank you.